everybody.
So you see that? Best of Joburg, Reader's Choice Award. Best
Still
vegan
the
restaurant.
reigning champions.
And guess what? It is World Vegan Day. Hands down, they are the best.
Thank you. Thank you. This is so nice. So,
And just to give you a little bit, they have different vegan fudge, lemon cheesecake, lamingtons. I still haven't figured out what that is. Biltong, different drinks, oak. That's oat milk. And then they got some Just Egg. Yeah, I'm gonna end up buying those. And then there's a non-dairy ice cream cake. Now this here is some of the best vegan ice cream I've tried here so far. The milk brand. They have cookie dough. What is that? Let's see, cookie dough, chocolate or something. The mellow mint chip is one of my faves. Brownie batter.
alright, so it's photo time.
So now they all finna go out here and do a photo. We have the Fussy vegan sign. Oh no, you good.
Yay! Yay! Yay!
As you see here, the staff is always smiling, very happy.
Okay, oh yes.
And
There you go. Cluster together.
Full doesn't bite too long.
Yeah, they're afraid of me.
Okay, guys. You bring your head in a little bit like this. That's fantastic. Also, nice big smiles at the camera. Looking at me.
Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hi guys, this is fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So amazing. So amazing.
let me get one with you now.
Yeah, please.
And then I'm gonna
can I pass you this one
and then
as
I'll
well?
send you a copy of the video too. So here's the whole Fussy vegan staff
Yes.
celebrating best vegan restaurant on World National Vegan Day. Great staff. Get a picture for them also. One, 2, 3. Bam. Perfect.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Let me know how it look.
Thank you.
And this is the love of Johannesburg, people. Like, really come check it out. Start visiting Johannesburg. It's a beautiful place. It's nice people. Don't listen to all the media or the hype. Like, literally, we're next to a dog grooming, old vintage Majestic DVD rental. Really great place.